Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Midjourney in Discord. First, you'll need to join the official Midjourney Discord server. Once inside, navigate to any channel labeled Newbie or General Image Generation to begin. These are your starting points for creating stunning visuals. You'll interact with the bot using simple text commands, which we'll cover next. It's a straightforward process to get started, allowing you to dive into AI art creation almost immediately. To generate your very first image, simply type the command /imagine into the chat. After /imagine, you'll enter your prompt, which is a text description of what you want to see. Be as descriptive as possible. For example, a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars. The bot will then process your request and present you with a grid of 4 unique image options. This initial step is where your creativity truly begins to take shape. After your initial image grid appears, you'll see buttons labeled U and V below each of the 4 images. The U buttons, numbered 1 through 4, allow you to upscale a specific image, making it larger and more detailed. The V buttons, also numbered 1 through 4, generate 4 new variations based on that particular image. This gives you immense control to refine your creations and explore different artistic directions. For more advanced control, you can add parameters to your prompts. For instance, use R followed by a ratio like 16:9 for widescreen images or 9:16 for vertical ones. You can also use the /blend command to combine 2 or more images into a new creation. Remember, all your generated artwork is saved and accessible on the Midjourney website, providing a convenient gallery of your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.